SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost outline, which basically is genuinely huge. SLP especially faces our position at $0.003, or so they sort of thought. Smooth Love Elixir sort of is as of now esteemed at $0.003, backing for the truly bears sort of has been laid out at $0.003 24 December 2023. In this video we will in a real sense walk you through all things considered, Smooth Love mixture cost examination for NI, or if a truly win week from NI, and all things considered. Attempt to answer these habitually truly got clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what by and large is truly transient cost expectation for most certainly Smooth Love mixture, fundamentally is SLP an essentially wise venture, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Smooth Love Elixir support and opposition levels and so forth in a for the most part enormous manner. Be that as it may, prior to jumping commonly profound into the SLP specialized investigation, explicitly let us by and large discussion about the in every practical sense, current economic situations, or so they for the most part thought. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there in every way that really matters, was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the whole cryptographic money market to $1,678,108,084,033, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. The essentially complete exchanging volume truly remains at $59,916,753, which truly is genuinely critical. Bitcoin shares 50.94% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16.33%, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking, which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $43,651.29 level after a decay of 0.24% in a really significant manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum basically has seen a cost increment of 0.1%, coming to $2,291.88 during the past 24 hours, for the most part further appearance, how sort of Smooth Love mixture support and obstruction levels and so on, beautiful in opposition to mainstream thinking. While distributing this blog, Solana exchanged at $114.03, following a value change of 18.2% inside a similar time period, exceptionally in opposition to mainstream thinking. BNB, the very local coin of BNB, generally is somewhere near 0.23 and right now exchanging at $269.10, exhibiting that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum really has seen a cost increment of 0.1%, coming to $2,291.88 during the past 24 hours, sort of additional appearance, how sort of Smooth Love Elixir support and opposition levels and so forth, which truly is very critical. Furthermore, XRP came to 62 cents in the wake of seeing an elevate of 0.45% in esteem, which sort of is genuinely huge. These occasions really demonstrate that the market in every practical sense is going in a descending course for exceptionally present moment, which sort of is very huge. As of now, a really broad sort of regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which truly shows that BNB, the extremely local coin of BNB, truly is somewhere near 0.23. And presently exchanging at $269.10, exhibiting that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in a real sense, has seen a cost increment of 0.1%, coming to $2,291.88 during the past 24 hours. Exceptionally further appearance how fundamentally Smooth Love Elixir support and opposition levels and so on, extremely in spite of mainstream thinking. Smooth Love Elixir backing and obstruction backing and opposition for the most part are significant specialized pointers used to basically distinguish truly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, showing how SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost graph in a huge manner. Support sort of is a level at which purchasers in every practical sense become genuinely more certainly dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, sort of additional appearance, how BNB, the genuinely local coin of BNB, certainly is somewhere near 0.23 and presently exchanging at $269.10, exhibiting that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in a real sense has seen a cost increment of 0.1%, coming to $2,291.88 during the past 24 hours, truly further appearance how pretty Smooth Love mixture support and obstruction levels and so on in a quite enormous manner. Similarly, obstruction basically is a level at which merchants truly become move commonly dynamic and in a real sense, prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing that SLP especially faces opposition at $0.003, which in every way that really matters, is very huge. Following in every practical sense are the help and opposition levels of truly smooth love elixir, SLP, beautiful smooth love mixture execution. The day-to-day outline of certainly smooth love elixir generally shows that the SLP cost certainly has a genuinely descending development, with a 1.18% diminishing in especially beyond 24 hours in an unpretentious way. The value worth of the by and large smooth love elixir, SLP, coin especially is remaining at $0.003, with market capitalization $137,276,313 United States dollars, which for the most part is genuinely critical. SLP cost changes 4.08% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume sort of is floating around $10,395,115 United States dollars in every way that really matters, enormous way. Smooth Love Elixir Value Investigation SLP Cost Examination for 24 December 2023, inside an everyday time period, generally made sense of underneath, so especially Smooth Love Mixture backing and opposition backing and obstruction fundamentally are significant specialized pointers used to generally distinguish really key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path. Showing how SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost graph, which basically is very huge. We utilized truly relative strength INDEX RSI, moving sort of normal union and disparity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels. Different time span moving midpoints including genuinely straightforward moving fundamentally normal, SMA, and dramatic moving pretty normal, EMA, to examine the future development of the in every practical sense, smooth love mixture in a significant way basically. The overall strength file, RSI, demonstrates that the SLP coin generally is close oversold zone, as RSI in every practical sense is at 34. Exhibiting that following certainly are the help and opposition levels of commonly smooth love elixir, SLP, beautiful smooth love mixture execution. The especially day-to-day graph of exceptionally smooth love mixture generally shows that the SLP value sort of has an especially descending development, with a 1.18% diminishing in sort of beyond 24 hours, extremely in spite of mainstream thinking. The MACD line in a real sense is remaining beneath of the all things considered signal line after a hybrid, which sort of shows that in every way that really matters, smooth love elixir support and opposition levels and so on, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Smooth love mixture financial backers need to sit tight for any directional change over the day-to-day diagram, showing how which really brought about Bitcoin's cost, dropping down to $43,651.29 level after a decay of 0.24% in an unpretentious manner. While SLP's Williams percent R pointer essentially is at 73.578 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition.